In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add captions in CapCut. Captions make your videos accessible, easier to follow, and more engaging, and CapCut's built-in tools make the process quick and reliable. I'll walk you through the exact flow, start to finish, with tips to get clean, professional results. Start by opening CapCut. You can use the web editor in your browser, or the mobile or desktop app, whichever you prefer. Once you're in, create a new project so you're working on a fresh timeline. This gives you a clean slate and ensures your caption track won't mix with any previous edits. Next, choose the 16:9 canvas. This is the standard landscape format for platforms like YouTube. If you're making content for another platform, you can always adapt later, but 16:9 is a solid starting point for most videos. Now, upload your video. Bring in the file you want to caption and make sure it's on the timeline. Give it a moment to fully load and play a few seconds to confirm the audio is clear. Good audio quality helps the auto caption engine recognize words more accurately, especially with background music or heavy accents. Open the caption section. You'll find it in the toolbar or sidebar, depending on your layout. This is where everything related to subtitles lives, and it's the fastest route to getting accurate text on screen without manual typing. Choose Auto Captions. This feature analyzes your video's audio and generates text for you. Before you proceed, make sure the language matches your audio. If your video includes specific jargon, brand names, or unique terms, make a note of them. You'll refine those during editing. Click Generate and let CapCut process the audio. Depending on the length of your video, this might take a moment. Keep the project open while it works. When it's done, you'll see caption segments appear on the timeline and in the text panel. From here, edit the texts. Click on any caption to correct spelling, punctuation, or timing. Keep sentences readable by breaking long lines, and align the captions to the speaker's pace so they feel natural. You can also style your captions. Adjust font, size, color, and add a subtle background or stroke to improve contrast. Position them so they're clear, but don't cover important visuals. Staying within safe margins helps on different screens. Give your video a quick playback to confirm accuracy and readability. Aim for clear punctuation, consistent capitalization, and easy-to-scan lines. That's it. You've added captions in CapCut and polished them for a professional finish.